All right, hey, this is Hans, and this is
Mario.
And it's time for another spicy noodle mukbang. What do you think of that? Is that good?
Good.
Today we've got something from Nissin, Mexico. This is one of their new spicy trifecta. This is Camaron Fuego fire shrimp. It sounds good. Here's what it looks like when I cook it really fast. And through the miracle of technology, ladies and gentlemen, here is the bowl. What do you think of that? Is that pretty cool?
Spicy.
Very spicy noodle. But you, sir, have twin ear infections, so I don't really want you to eat spicy food. I don't know why it would have any kind of repercussion. Back. None of this playing with the fork and the noodles like in the last episode. Do you remember that?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
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 It was cute. But it could have meant trouble.
Yeah.
And we don't want any trouble.
Yeah.
All right, ready?
Let's go.
Go. He's laughing at me already. All right, ready, set?
Yeah.
A lot of lemon flavor in this, which is really good. Well, like I said in the last episode, I've done so many spicy noodle mukbangs that just eating a bowl of straight noodles is kind of, it's boring. So I like to, garnish them and stuff. Yeah, mild. I just had an enjoyable shrimp. That wasn't one of my own fly. That's pretty good. Yeah, Miles, he got an dueling ear infections. Which, that can't be any fun. What you doing? You want to talk about Thomas? Or do you want to talk about the wonderful world of pudding? He doesn't want to talk about that. Where's the rest of it? Come over here. What's wrong? It's like you're carrying that, huh? Huh? Yeah, it's like you're carrying that thing around like a rifle. He's like, oh, you're not done with eating those noodles yet? It's time to get lost. This is pretty good. Yeah, I'm very curious what the other ones are going to be like. Spicy? Yeah. Spicy noodles. Are you confused as to why I'm not demanding that you try spicy noodles?
No.
I mean, you can totally handle these.
Boom boom.
Boom boom. Yeah, we don't want any spicy boom boom. You're taking like...
Spicy boom boom.
Yeah, yucky.
Spicy boom boom.
Like spicy poop?
Yeah, I do. Sorry.
Yeah, spicy poop.
I do. Soba.
Spicy soba.
Soba.
Soba?
Soba.
Yaki soba?
I do soba.
Udon? You want a bite, don't you? You want a noodle?
No.
You want a noodle. I know, that's the autofocus. Don't worry. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. There's no need. It's busy there. Little. No. Don't touch that. Here, look. There's a noodle. No, you're not interested in that autofocus. You want to leave. No. Miles gets a big no. Well, there's your chance. There's a noodle right there. Get that devilish, naughty grin off your face. There's a noodle right here. Alright, well, if you're not going to eat it, then I'm going to eat it. That's the only lens I have. Down the wrong pipe. It stings. Right. Ready, set? Done. All done. Well, that was pretty good. How'd I do? Papa do good? Did Papa do good? How did I do?
Yeah.
Yeah? Did I get a high five?
Yeah.
All right. Well, cool. Yeah, that was tasty. If you can get those, you should check them out. All right. This has been Hans, and this has been
Mario.
wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one.
Bye.